Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Fluent English Podcast. I'm Ben, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Lisa. Hi everyone. It's great to have you back. Or, if you're new here, welcome to the Fluent English family.
Yes, we're so glad you joined us. Today, we have a warm and fun topic, talking about family.
That's right. We'll learn how to describe family members, talk about relationships, and share some personal stories about our own families.
Exactly. So, before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the Fluent English Podcast and share this episode with your friends, maybe even with your mom or dad.
Or with your grandma. She might want to learn English too.
That's true. Okay, are you ready? Let's start talking about family.
Let's begin with the basics. Family members. Repeat after us. Mother. Father. Parents. Sister. Brother. Siblings. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandparents.
Perfect. Now some extended family members. Aunt, uncle, cousin, niece, nephew.
Great job. And don't forget, mother-in-law and father-in-law are your husband or wife's parents. Son-in-law and daughter-in-law are your children's husband or wife.
Yes, and one more word that often confuses English learners, step. For example, stepfather, stepsister, stepbrother. That means your family member by marriage, not by blood.
Exactly. Like if your mom marries someone new, that person becomes your stepfather.
Now let's practice some useful sentences. For example, I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My parents are retired. I'm really close to my cousins. My grandmother lives with us.
Nice. Here's one I use a lot. I'm the oldest child. That means I was born first.
Oh, really? I'm the youngest child. So I was the baby of the family. Everyone spoiled me.
That explains a lot. I had to take care of my younger brothers. It was a full-time job.
Sounds like you were the boss.
Maybe a little, but honestly, those memories are so special. When we were kids, we didn't have much, but we had fun, playing outside, riding bikes, and making up games.
Same here. My siblings and I used to build forts out of blankets and chairs in the living room. It felt like our secret world.
Now let's learn some common English expressions related to family.
Yes, these will help you sound more natural. Let's go. 1. Like father, like son. It means a son behaves like his dad. Example: Ben loves telling jokes, like father, like son. 2. It runs in the family. It means something is common in your family. Example: We all love music. It runs in the family. 3. A family person. Someone who really enjoys spending time with family. Example: Lisa is such a family person. She visits her parents every weekend. 4. A black sheep of the family. A person who is very different from the rest. Example: My cousin is the black sheep of the family. He moved to another country and became a surfer. Now it's story time. I'll start. When I was a kid, my family had dinner together every night. No TV, no phones, just food and conversation.
Wow, that's so nice. My family was similar, but we always ended up laughing too much. My dad loved telling bad jokes.
Oh, same. My dad's favorite joke was, why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
That's so bad it's good.
I know. And the funny thing is, now I tell the same bad jokes. It really runs in the family.
That's a good one. You know, my mom used to wake us up every Sunday with loud music, like really loud.
Oh no. What kind of music?
Old pop songs. She would sing and dance around the kitchen while making pancakes. I used to hide under the blanket.
That sounds like a great memory, though. Now you probably miss it.
Totally. Now, when I smell pancakes, I remember those mornings.
Okay, now it's time for you to practice. We'll ask you a few questions. Try to answer out loud. Question 1. Who are you closest to in your family?
Question 2. Do you have any funny or crazy relatives?
Question 3. What did you used to do with your family when you were a kid?
Nice. And here's a little challenge. Try to describe your family using 3 adjectives. For example, my family is loud, funny, and loving.
You know, family isn't always about who you're related to. It's also about the people who care for you and support you.
That's so true. Sometimes friends become like family. We all need people who make us feel at home.
Yes, and learning English is like that too. We're building a community, a little English family right here.
Aw, that's sweet. So, to everyone listening, thank you for being part of our podcast family.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed talking about family as much as we did.
And now we want to hear from you. What's something funny or special about your family? Tell us in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
And remember, you're part of our Fluent English podcast family. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, and call your mom. She probably misses you.